Hello, sir. You go tell me say, me just come off of the road come buy little bread. My own money could have buy bread so you can eat and your sister. I could even sweep up the yard. Eh? What kind of style that? Every day is the same thing. Why you so nasty? All this to the other day. Me sit down. Here, garbage you want pile up.
So
here,
garbage
pile up in the settee. Settee bottom left, no buy settee. You have a furniture here, sir?
I'm putting this here,
Why you so nasty? And you want woman? Eh?
It's more should be play. Why you say want me to do?
Sweep up the yard, you're man. You're the man of the yard.
That means I'm not to do nothing. More should be play tomorrow. What more you want me to do?
You must learn. Simple. Excuse me, don't talk to me like that. You're still a child. I'm paying you. What? Really?
And then first I do this, you know.
So you're talking to your mother like this? Like seriously?
Yeah, so.
Huh?
What else more you want me to do?
Clean the place.
We have your daughter for. We have your daughter for. Look at safe here. Yeah, I get to don't give me the wrong side.
I have to buy food for you to eat, clothes to wear, shelter, air to even breathe. The most you can do is just to keep the place clean and learn at school. That's all. The most you can do is just be clean.
What make you no go cuss all? What make you no go?
Don't talk to me like that.
You know, I'm gonna leave your place, you know.
No problem. No problem. Finally. Outside and rude. How are you go? So you pack a long time already. You pack a long time already.
I'm
tired of you too. I'm tired of you too.
Keep me down so if you go.
You big and rank and a stop piss bed. Eh? You come to about woman yard. Your man say a piss bed. Ranking boy. Come out of my house, man. Rude. You not leave. You're not leaving. Disgusting.
Good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Like you look, man, it's probably good, man.
Look up on the road.
Like where you look, man. Me stop your son in a cool and hear me say, look,
Can I not rush in about here, yes.
can I cool and hear you?
Yes, I know.
My name is Hector.
My name is Brittany.
Brittany. Right, come here and see, man. Mom can get to see you again.
Well, hopefully.
Like where you look, man. It's probably I go now. Give me a number, I'm call you now.
No, I can't. I have a boyfriend and he's very strict on me. So, no, I can't do that.
So you man say, look now. I rush it off, so.
Come in there in a rush, sir. What am to you?
No, I'm too, man. As I said, I don't know how I'm see you again, you see.
Sir, I'm not in this right now. I have somebody and I want to look for there with somebody way older than me. Understand? I'm in a relationship and I don't settle down, so goodbye, yeah?
See that, man, but you're still fat.
Yeah, later time.
Hello?
Who that?
Jota.
Who?
Jota.
I watch breeze blow here today now. Anyways, me I come. Hi.
Oh, man.
There. You can come inside. I look nice too.
I want to see boy. I go there for a while, you know. But Chile, I'm forward in that place, isn't it? So I come here one bus down. I want to see all my son.
Anyways, I can tell her, but before that, what you bring for me?
What yourself, man?
Alright, so Zayvon now, brother, a pay problem. Him not live here now. Him don't live here. He move out and go live with him woman. Or should I say him woman come live with him? You understand? So him not live here and a pay problem. Him not do good at school. I just a waste money going so. No look IGP, I pay GPA below 2. Him not perform. He just a waste of time and I waste my time to somebody. I'm tired of him, you know. I'm sick and tired of that boy there. I'm tired of him.
So all that money them I send from foreign. All that everything we do. I'm a house money me I send him, you know. So tell me something, which part of them live now?
Well, you know, to be honest, him live on a pineapple bottom lane, so me can direct you or I can actually follow you go there. You understand? But him not live here, as I said before, him not live here.
Man, I will give them a buzz. It's okay. I'm going to start treating them there and nothing. I have one project place with them, you know. With them rent out fee really work them, you know. So I said, no, if you come stay with me over there.
Let me tell you this, and also this come down. Whatever was in the past, now it's the present. I move on, and so did you, so leave me alone. You must be mad. You want my man kill me? Eh? Him know he left this, him know he left it. Wash and clean and turn down. Don't go there, bright.
Hey, watch out. Now, sisters there, we cut me so forward, so coming here.
Anyways, what good rubbish.
Zayvon.
How that?
Zayvon there.
No, in the here.
Zevan father this thing.
Oh, okay. I'm your girlfriend.
Spot him gone.
You know, say, I'm supposed to run a back road a cup on yard.
So you know spot him already?
Somewhere in our town.
Alright, I'm sorry, man. I look for you. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you, still.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself.
Alright. Boss, somebody outside come to you.
Who is the person?
A tall Rasta gentleman.
What name?
You know some I don't know though.
Go on say tell us someone I'm going on. Oh, but you are go on. Go ask the person who him be.
Alright.
Oh boy.
He said his name is Jutta.
Juta. Oh, my general man, send him forward.
Alright.
You good though?
Yeah, man.
You look at me and laugh so. you not getting enough. You ready for it again?
Yeah, man. Some come back, man.
Go on. Carry man come. Go breathe in here. Go on.
Burn them off.
Go on, my general.
Yeah, man.
Long time no see I, man.
Yeah, man. Dropping that place and all, man. You see?
Here, so you know there, you know daddy?
I'm not tell you, that's beer work and lucky, you see? You know, them place they kind of cold, you see? Yeah, man.
You see your son one day, son, tall, so. I say, yo. But you ain't keep in contact still.
You say I'm more girl in crown there.
Because in there, I call you at time. Yeah, man. So, I'm supposed to bright boy. I don't know there no long time, I'm not going to that ends around still. Can't talk to you about it. But you're good though.
Yeah, man, give thanks, man, you know.
Glory be to the most I give thanks to life. You know what I mean? So you have life, when you're there, everything good. So you're good though, differently. We have a drink and burn one skip and drink 2 beer, man. One of them there.
Yeah.
You understand? Now I did them there, edit up and things there. You know what I mean? So, we'll deal with that. Check back later in the evening, man, or even tomorrow.
Yeah, man, because I pass through me, so I make, you see?
Yeah, man, you go
Big up
over.
yourself, man, yeah?
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Hold on.
You gotta know.
Yeah.
So you want to know.
We're going to do it on this.
You are say no. I have a deadline on this video to get somebody here. You say, I done this here, you not get no money. I'm not gonna have no money. And my woman I yard love money and she lazy. So, for now, I'm just done our work here first and then in the evening we can do something. What do you think about that? I know you have white liver, you know. Can you get it this morning? I know you want it now. Again. You're getting more out that yard, you know. That's good. And what's that? Don't worry, sir. But give me a little time first. Yeah, go on, what do we have? You eat already?
No, I'm not eat yet.
You know, see a white liver, you know. Cause I see how you look for me one near me. So anyway, take a money out of the account. Buy something for yourself, buy something nice. And buy something sexy off of the net, some sexy lingerie that shit there. You know, do something in the office. You can costume up. You know, something costumish. You can do one little kitty cat or one little something. Right? Do give me something when I get a yard. A yard kind of boring, so I want to look at something smile when I go home. When I go, my wife is me, I smile and think she will I'll see you and think about. Alright, Seki? Terry?
Alright, later, yeah?
Alright. What do you think? So talk to you. So,
And daddy, are we not forward?
A long time forward, man. Every subject come in Senegal college for, you fail. And at this you come and do chop yard. I don't understand that. Are you Ireland?
No, my island. I work, I get some, I can do work, I get.
I go over your yard, see your girlfriend, tell me say I work you gone. When I come back out, I say look. At this type of work you do. All of my money you waste at college, not even one nice subject them. You know, you could even clean up one nurse place. It would have even better. No man, me not.
Yo, daddy, me sorry, you know. But you are a top girl, you know, daddy. And you're supposed to proud of me in one sense, you know, daddy. Because you say myself to be a girl, you know, I feel my subject them, but I don't feel the girlish thing.
I feel the girlish subject. You know, so I let me flick you down and I son at you now. Come and come talk about. Yo, you say you want to go to college. I stay from foreign and send you all my money come here for go to college. So when you stop go to college, you still take the money them. Where all my money them when I send come here there? I'm a house money I send come here, you know. That's it. Yo. Where do we do all our money them? Where I send come here from foreign?
Daddy, all of them time they don't give me money for go to college and already. I back high class me there, you know. That's it, see me on a subject you know, but you know if they go on to man. Give me a thing now. You can buy me a car, you know, you're a big foreigner, you know. Most can buy me something, man, because I'm tired of walk foot, you know.
You say if you not prove to me and say me I go proud of you, you go just see me come and just lick you down. Because I now grow up no tree, so yeah.
Alright, daddy, later. You now buy me anything, daddy.
Wagwan. I'm there now, you show up me, so if you tell me Wagwan.
Well, then I want to talk to you face to face, you know. It's urgent.
This sounds serious. But, everything good with my daughter though?
Yeah, she good. She good, man.
Oh. Cause last time you called me, you know, it was something like this. You called me, say this and that, and then to me wake up, the inner you, right? And we get my daughter out tight still, so I'm not really complain and say this and say that. But what when I say him game, you play again, right?
Whatever that means.
Yeah, because woman I have her now is a mad woman. Yeah, so me know she not too like you neither, you know. So you know how it go. Right? And she come from a warmonger tribe. So me don't really want the violence. So 2023 I can't manage the stress, right? Can't manage the stress. Alright, so we're gonna make you walk. Me the here upon the work I must have some little thing cause my music video I do for small my edit off here now and then we can go to the so. Alright, so after that now I come check you, right?
Alright, don't have me waiting, you hear that?
Because, yeah, you see my woman, she love me sugar cane, you know. So more you know, say hope something like that you have plans, right?
When you say me I eat, I'm gonna come sit in my stomach now, me I eat.
Well, sugar cane good for stomach. It fit your stomach perfectly. You not sick your stomach.
You must know.
You know, see one of the wild one them, you know. Every time I see you for miles away, my mom gonna pass, see a little lip. So I'm not fool.
I say you put a lyrics from long time. You know easy, you know? I know me, I'm a twin sister, can't me.
But differently from that. You know who come check me a while ago? No fear, baby father, come check me. Wanna give you the son.
Would you talk?
Yeah man, him come check me a while ago, man. You know what I mean? Saying back in our place, you know what I mean? Yeah, so him not know say me breed you and give the daughter, the second child. You know say get a second pity by the way?
You don't know yet, but I'm going to know.
Aye. I'm virgin, you know, I don't want it. You and him can explain that there. Because I never seduce you, you know. I never seduce you. I wake up because them couldn't charge you for rape. But you me know you for a long time, I love you. Alright? So
So you want to rape you? Me do rape you?
well, if I never give account, you see, alright, a part of my body have no sense, you have no brain. You know what I mean? So I cannot control it. So when I was unconscious, but it was awake, I blame it all the while, I slap it, so bye, you shall know yourself and know what it do. But anyway, it do what it do already, and it make what it make, and it take what it take. So, love my daughter. So, regardless of what take place, make it turn. But you and your baby father have to know that. Me and then no argument about that. But I'm a virgin still. You know what I mean? So what happened already, then it can't happen again. Make it turn. But I can't check you though. You say urgent, I can't check you. Alright? They I fix up what music with the phone, a young youth them. You can hear somebody a cough night, a deep throat. Them say that song name, deep throat. I don't know, young people are talking about, yo, me no night with them. Them now go back to the vegetable and the natural good vibration, reggae music, everything a chop dog. Anyway, I have a long talking, dear. Alright, me come check you, alright. Go and feed your face. Yeah, go and feed your face, but feed more than your face. Alright, we go on. Later.
Sure. It's messy, yeah.
Okay, I'll kiss you for you. Me like you when you're smaller. Daddy, look innocent little girl. No, I don't like her just on the road, man. Much man look you for there? No man look you for there?
No.
Man go look, I don't want that. Why can't I just come and look a church girl?
Me not them style lip. Me like you look how short and cut up. You know, cropped up and them things. Me not like them long dress there like a gown.
How much man look you for man in? Because look at a man you want look you go out with dress in them way. You dress like the girl them from back road. That's what you're dressing right now. It's not, I'm not dissing you, but I'm telling you that if you dress this way, people gonna treat you a certain way. They're gonna call her first. Psst. But if you wanna dress good, they have to say, Madam, hello, hi. But when you dress like that, I be a big and they have to offer you because that's what. So you go find one nice boy kick you down and back you down because they're dressing like a little hot girl. You get a little hot boy. You see if you just like one church girl, you go get one lawyer boyfriend and one doctor boyfriend that can take care of you. You want one man to knock you around the corner and lick you down. Alright. You get what you look for. Listen me now. What you come here for today? And I guess you understand, said the secretary said we give you a hi. Yeah, look upon her and we look.
Is she first?
No, listen. Between me and you now. She is kind of your stepmother in some sort of language. Wait, calm down. So, she'll make your father happy. So, please, don't
make you happy, but not make me happy.
Listen now, when I am happy, money make. You see when I'm sad, no say you work, no money you come for.
Yeah.
So, you go on so. Listen man, you see, I go give you money, you ensure that. You go on now. You begin off now. I will talk to my accountants and them say, alright, I can give you a card. Right? So you go get a receipt, I go down. You have your student ID something?
No, I'm not tired.
Alright, what you have got to do now? Because you start, more you start a machine, go swipe your money. So this a card, listen now, this year, bring it down to the bank. The same one, Nova Scotia. And let them give you a card. And do not use as much money on Friday. Go put money straight. You don't have to come here and check me.
Daddy.
Because I don't want you come one day and buck up in a car. So my time she be tell her to lock the door. She don't lock the door. Right? So I wouldn't want you come buck up on your father and make one next baby who knows appropriate to traumatize you. Alright, here we know. Take your time, go on home. You just talk to your mother a while ago. She wants to see me. When I go over there, tell her, say, when I come. I'm busy today. I have to try to do this and something. You have to learn the trade, you know. You have to learn how to edit and so my time you couldn't get to the work. You could have make extra money. Go on and know. What's secretary out there do? What's she do there?
I don't know, I don't
You see her
care.
on phone out there?
Because I don't like her.
Gosh.
Yes, me hear out there talk about babes love you and one bag of same thing. I tell you, she's not good for you. Me not like her, so you not like her. Anything we pick no go by, I saw if you go. So
Hear me now. You see she out there, she look like in her prime. I am a whole sugar zazzy. So I don't care about who she love. As long as I get what I get, I give her, she bounce for me, look sugar jump off on her. And she work as secretary, so she work and she collect and every little thing. Don't worry about that. But one thing, more she listen to me say though, me tell her for lucky shop. I just more hear if she has like she give a piece last night. Cause she have certain time when she nobody enough get on her yard, and certain time when like more auntie just stay away until certain time. I say go. But anyway, I have to talk about this. I'm a dancer. Go on. Alright, go on home. Tell the mother how this. Tell them so far.
but wait, me have something more for you tell. Say today when me walk on the road, one big black tough tall rasta man if you are mule. I don't like him. The man chat about how he love me, how you want this friend, how you want to touch my breast. One bag of same thing, daddy. One bag of same thing.
Alright, my daughter. Because so my time look for you from side, look at me also. So
Daddy, see you, daddy.
come. Go on home.
See you.
Hello, stop, look for me.
I'm gonna say that I travel in your office, daddy, no?
Girl, go on.
You can't bust her ass, you know. Like that yard, but they are in the office. You see when they are so, me you there. She tell me, say, girl, the phone talk out the door. When you there, me have an agreement. You do not talk to your man here until you go out on the road. So when you're there, you're finished. And your man must not come here. Why not you do? And when I say lock shop, I'm paying you for that. Right? and you're doing the thing good. But I want to like Chatel, because she, you know, I'm looking at that.
But she don't like me.
No, no, she don't like, but you see, you know, you can bust her ass. Anytime she get problem, we go give you the authority. When you lick her, no look in her eye or nothing, but lick her in a place before you know, say, lick her in her foot bottom, in her sharp ribs, and then when you're there, we go apart, you. Because you deserve a beating. So you get all on the law pass already, we can't beat her, but you can bust her ass and me party and say, oh, this look a fight. But we pay your money afterwards. When I did them, man, because I know she want to be. She nah, look, you're just nice. You're just like a lady, but you're a. Let me get on. Look, stick down. Let me spell it. Let me do something. Come down. Come down. I'm done that project here, so please. Yeah, too much temptation. I'm so ready for you. Here? Alright. Love you.
Love you too.
Alright. Careful.
Excuse me?
It only enough I can change it to go on.
Waiting.
You can't. Could I give me to eat already, mommy?
Cut them off. Cut out every part of them.
Don't worry, give
Won't
me.
me get to eat. No worry about that when
Mommy,
me
I
kill.
can't clean up the kitchen.
Brittany, relax.
Oh.
Relax.
I feel good now, I'm want to sleep.
You're getting older and you must learn these simple things to keep your house clean, your
It's
kitchen
so-
especially.
It's all about the chicken for cook to not you.
No? You'll take them off. Yeah,
Then why give me them for eating on my plate, mommy?
It's not, I must say grandmother yet talk, I can't be.
Mommy, I use
It can't be me, it can't be me, I don't yet talk. Don't do that.
So for black ducks, I'm going to chicken for them to eat. Everything, not yourself, them to eat. Yeah,
Where try crew? Where try crew?
Mommy, kuya, when them go to a restaurant, I'm gonna get them a black bucket pan chicken for dinner.
And your point is?
Yeah, give me them for eat. If you like a pies, you want pies me or something.
Brittany, my daughter, don't do that. I love you out there, I want to poison you. I don't want to kill a long time. I'm trying to say you're pregnant. Feel good, papa. Don't do that.
See me them cut off the now. Don't do that. The mama work here, my kitchen work.
You must learn. You're getting older. You must learn to do these simple things to keep a house clean. You understand? One day you might get married, have a family for yourself. You have to learn. You can't expect me to be doing everything, paying bills, feeding you, and cleaning the place. Don't do that. How dare you? And stop complaining, man. Go on. Oh, boy. Massa. The light of a mother. More black. Yeah. Come inside now. Come and tell you now the house is already. Come in, man.
You say you call me, but you truly want to so but you don't know what you
You know what to sit down? Mr. Come in.
Yo, that's why I'm joking with me, so I go on now.
Well,
First, let me apologize about yesterday. Yesterday I said I come back and link you, I couldn't make it. Right? Because I get tired with some things. Is it? But differently now. We say what's so important? So wrong with my daughter?
Well, my daughter, okay, and nothing you're in amateur, but I want to talk to you about she. You understand? It's like not the arm up on the head, right? This so. But I understand, I don't want you judge me, you understand?
Yeah. What may I say? This sounds serious. But talk to me still, man. I not judge you. After I not judge. Judge it not. Judge you, judge me. I not judge you because you can't judge me. Talk to me and tell me what I want now.
Alright, me will tell you, and this is just the truth. You see, my daughter, like back in the days, like anytime she was, when I was younger, right, and...
So you can't say your daughter?
Relax now, it's like our daughter, right? I'm not sure if the child is really yours because my man, when I did have at the time, is like me that sex with one at the same time. When the man go overseas, me that sex you and sex in between the same period. So I kind of feel so the child might be yours and the child might be his because when he returned just the other day, I dead stamp at the man and I say, I wonder if I could jut a pitney. I said, me I think to myself, you know.
What me I say to you though? You think say and feel say how much money did I spend over a period of time? Right? How much is your old is the daughter now? And I mind that daughter before in a belly me I feed her and thing. Me left for a time now I'm still take care of my pitney. So there's no way you can say this is not my pitney. And what me I say to you though? You go do a DNA, right? Do a DNA and hope for the best. Because I'm telling you something. I not get angry, because last year and them time I get angry and I realize it don't make no sense. You know what I mean? I deal with calm. Because I remember time when they were going for me after I get pregnant, you lock me up for pitney maintenance. I'm going to do my time. I'm going to come back home, mind my pitney past age of consent. No, start look at business and things turn around. You know what I mean? So one thing I say to you is if I know my pitney, plan fee compensate me for all of the years them I spend on that child. You know what I mean? I still go over my daughter, but you have to pay back every red cent if I know my pitney because you're wicked. If you are sleep with one man, no condom is okay. But if you sleep with two, one of them must use condom at all times. What can I mix up that? I could have catch a virus from you. He's a wicked piece of girl. I'm going to tell people all the while them things you're normal, you're soft. You're wicked.
I understand what you are trying to say to me, you know, I have a strong point, but understand as I remember say, my man, me have sex with my man, right, because of my man, and you become the man. And I tell her, say, use condom, I come to me say, oh, it's nicer without condom, man, it's nicer, you want to wiggle inside. And I say, stop it, you understand? So I don't want to use condom. I don't want to use condom and I like to say, I'm curious kind of woman. I never say the child is not yours. I say there's a possibility the child might not be yours. You understand? So just, I know why you start things to me as some careless type of girl. Because I'm a decent, respectable young lady. I just say things happen at times. You understand? Sex is lovely. Jesus.
You might fool some people. Say decent. But I go tell you that you're not decent, you're not special than nobody else. Boy, only one thing I say to you, hope stay, my pitney. Because I go live good either way, you know what I mean? Because I never trust you at the beginning, now I trust you at the end. Anyway, when I have to go back, I'm an officer now, I'm sorry for dealing. And do not say this to my daughter until you're 100% sure after you do DNA. I don't want to, because I know how our minds stay. You're a wicked piece of mama. Boy, I said to you, still don't call on my phone, you know. Until you have the DNA result. You see how for pick me. What them saying for though? But them going to take a piece of my hair?
I can use your saliva and her saliva at the same time. Maybe a toothbrush or a toothbrush.
Whenever you get book the apartment down the place in DNA and let me know. Ready, because we don't really like to know for pitney, but you're wicked though.
So now the money can contribute to the DNA test.
Go away and don't talk to me. Don't
talk to me. So you not my love,
no, it's back I did a bust come on. But you now, don't talk to
Are
me.
you cross upon
No,
yourself?
so don't talk one more time.
I know such a picture of it though. No, you're trying though.
Yo, man, I give you know. Man, I
Come
give
on,
you
come
know.
on, come on, man.
Come
Come
on.
on.
I'm build a house again, you know.
It doesn't-
You take back for again, you know.
Oh, that too. But
You're going to live on the road over the done. Better cure, better show some mind to me.
Jackie to my picture.
Hello, Mr. Me licking your mouth, you know. Stop chat.
But I'm being honest.
Me go take restraining. Hey, remember, you know, when we did to you last time, you know. Do not play me around the mouth. You see your mouth getting a problem.
I'm gonna find some idiot man. And that's enough to... We tell about Rasta man.
Yeah, look man to it from yeah?
Not you. You should not respect my honesty. Anyways, I'm gonna reach over finally, right? Just step on the phone, so I may
I come back to Jamaica to start some business, you know. Can't make all that money just done out. You see, I have to know what I do, you see. So you are saying now?
Boy. Unfortunately, you have an next child, you have a daughter. Me give the child to somebody else because when I was leaving, me never sure you gonna come back. So sadly, me give your child to an next man. As in your DNA, your child, your blood, sweat child, yeah, to one next man. You have a daughter.
So when me that foreign, you know make me give me daughter money, me no know my daughter. What my daughter there?
Alright, to be honest with you, the thing is that I'm not sure. It's like me feel so yours and I feel like for the next man because the pitney look like it's one. The pitney resemble you a lot. Just the other day I come back me and say, I wonder if I could jot a one because the pitney just look like it because in the same space of time when I left Ghana foreign, one next man start riding me too. So I don't know. Unfortunately, sorry if I said this but I'm not sure. So you can always do a DNA test to make sure, you understand?
So where she there? Where she there?
Up our next father yard.
Up our next father.
Up the man where
You listen where you say look a while. Up our next father. This really have to go start out. More see her, you know. If you go up on the phone or something, but more see her. Cause if me have a daughter, post me go up on the road and go look after my daughter.
I can't leave now because she's so coming up so you can go and ease back till she come. She's on her way.
If you know, you don't know mission too. So back on. Just try call her and see her.
Alright, I'll do that now. Boy. Hello? My daughter? How far I reach now? Come home now. Emergency. But be safe here. Your mommy away upon you. Come home now. Alright, cool. Love you. Boy. Guess what now, Jutta? She now will coming home, but guess what? You can't mention this to her on a town. But I tell her say you feel or you think I know say you're the father. She can't know until we're sure. She love brush her teeth and she love do her ear, so guess what I'm gonna do? We can always use her ear sample and give it to you so we can do the DNA test, you understand? But do not utter any word to her about me and...
Mommy! What emergency at that boy?
Guess what? After the reach, come over. Look, Teddy.
After me, I want to call. You talk about emergency. Yes, the emergency. What emergency?
This is the uncle, your long lost uncle, Uncle Jutta. Look, I'm dark like we.
So this is an emergency? Now this is a man there look me.
And I like, me not look after choke, I'm see her, me never know me have them big knees. I'm see her nice street and she look good. You always take money for the son, why me can never take money for your daughter too? Yo, me dey back at Jamaica man, you know go alright man. Sorry about that, niece, man. Sorry about that still, man.
Take it easy, because you couldn't know. You see, same thing me tell about your dressing on the road. Look how you dress. Supposed to didn't even use your knife and tear it down. Girl, be careful of your dressing. Anyways, your uncle this year.
Alright, all of that, just done all of that. Me have something for deal on, I want to look place to clean. But the whole of the day, man, one of them days we have family in the man. Cook up a big pot and all of the reason and get to know how to better. You see me?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah. Yo, what go on?
What about Juta?
Me there, man.
Well, like you just a touch it up.
Nah, man, I touched down already, man.
Well, man, chash out.
Yeah, man, man. I know that me talk about, man. Come and do some business, then. Buy and sell. I want to sell the artist clothes, them and artist handbag them and them something there. You hear me I say no? Me say you know, you buy online and them something there. So me not offline, more the thing them so. I want to wire some money to you, just shopping for me.
I mean, man, I mean that anything we do, buying for online. I say, that me love do. Me love shop online. Guys, when I shop online, you get everything cheap. Everything better. You can make some money. You say you want to buy and sell. So you hear me I say, I send on 500,000, man. I'm just get down everything for you. Simple.
You have cash up?
No, me have my bank account. Just send it to MCB. Me have get. Give me a phone. Me put it in it. Man, I come. US, I come from, you know, man. US. You have it, man. You have it. Alright. So, that's my 9-digit account number. And you know my name, that's right. So you just transfer the money. Anyway, if you can give original 50 for it, no problem.
When I deal with the work, we send out some money here. You don't do your shopping.
That's what I tell you, I couldn't jump on it.
More than one shopping, me I do. You really have the money, no cash for me. No worry yourself, man. We start you up, man. Wire money to you. You know, say buy shopping and shopping, change all that.
So what about your baby mother when you go find me? You know, check her.
Go link her around the man. Check her and thing, man. You know.
I'm good.
Different man around half the thing.
And that me go tell you, no.
But you know,
Me no inform about me, I tell you, say, pass your woman. Win there, no. And it come like a wall, she a climb, you know, the better man are doing in there, no.
That's a long time left,
But you know,
man.
that's it.
Is it? No, them really?
But you're supposed to can get him back, man. No, you know, money now, man. And USA I come from, you know. Or I one, you know, Juta one time, you know, I rhyme the Juta again. What go on?
You know, so you might invite me over today. Yeah, taxi, man. Over there, me I come from. Where you go taxi? Sometimes say I'm near the man, but just I go on like say, yeah, a long time I left here, you know. I still can't come back and go some book back. I even call you. Watch her. When I do shopping, you call me. And give me stop up on the chain.
Oh, you mean? Juta, take back your tune, me boy. Oh, you mean? Eh? I want 500,000. Let it come. Let it come.
Brian! Brian! I can't even answer. What's the deal? Name I call her.
What do you know?
Let me get the results now. You never see it?
Strong.
Sure. So I come the right time. Breakfast time or lunchtime.
I remember saying not too much on friend thing. So, what the result be? What opinion is it?
Boy. So the result here. Brittany dad. DNA report. Should I read it or you will?
Read it me what them say. Let me know.
Yeah, sure.
You open already?
Obviously, of course.
So over him.
Wait, no?
No, laughing back.
I'm not laughing on someone just ever up this, whatever. Dear Miss K. Shannon.
Hello.
Mr. Dad
you know, I don't.
Is
It's not.
Is not.
I say I'm not. Come out of my
father.
office, yeah. Come out of my office then. Go on, where you go. Come out of my office and just look out for the last suit. You have any money where you spend from that time, you have to pay me back. Because I say it was my child and I've been supporting you and I lack out for that picking much time. Listen me. Come out of my office. Where's security there?
We can't talk it out.
Somebody call the security.
We can't talk it out.
Come out of my office, please.
Let's come to a deal now. We're adults now. You have to involve in this. We can't talk it out.
Listen me. I'm a business person now. Back in there I wasn't a business person. That's why I make sure to think more rougher. But since I'm a business person, I love business. So I'm going to say to you now. I'm going to calculate how much money I spend per month and how much month is in over 17 years. Alright?
It wasn't planned.
Get out of here. Get out of my office. I don't have the time to talk. I'm eating my breakfast.
Can I call you?
Do whatever you want to do. But yeah, call me. Because we have got to see all the money.
No, we can't talk it out. Please. I understand, so you're frustrated and you're mad and upset.
I'm not. No.
But
no.
Understand, no. People make mistakes. Are you?
Hello.
I couldn't know because me have sex. You want me have sex just at the
I don't care about that. My advice to you, go care about all that drama. Even when me have the house, I'm give the house, I'm sign my house to you. You can't go to court for maintenance same way. I'm do my time, I'm come back out of jail, I'm spend the money and ensure everything alright. No matter business and successful, here come the best part of the story. Because you didn't know a long time so I and I Pitney. I hear the rumor, but I say I don't really believe it. People say it to me. I'm say it to you, you say oh people is bad mind. And you know you if you want a family member know say I know my Pitney. So here now, just deal with the consequence. We'll rub about it too. If we not got to the law, I'm gonna tell you how much money you owe me. Then we figure it out. Later.
You know, say too wicked and unfair. I must say two are we involved. Per se, could I say Juta is the father, you know. Juta is not the father. You understand? Juta invest and you invest. It's all invest in the picnic. So what's the big deal? Put us in the next month position.
Invest.
You invest in the picnic and the man invest in the picnic too at the same time. Because I'm not sure who. I'm just come out saying.
What do you say now? So when you take money from me? You take money from a friend?
Of course. Coming and sure what X-Man must do. Money can't be enough. We know this Jamaica is very hard. Money can't be enough.
Say it again.
You can't record me now.
Say when I give you money if you pin on your lap, me pin my tail. Is that next one a friend of mine pin same here?
If you not hear it before, you not going to hear it again. Me don't talk. But I must put yourself in one next man position. People all make mistakes.
Talk to my liar. Don't talk to my liar. Later.
First thing.
Don't talk to my liar.
Say, if you give a piece of ass, say everything we can.
Let go. May I speak? Hey boy. Hey boy. Take nobody, man.
Let people man alone. I want to see people man. Let them. Look at one. Let people man. Let people man.
Oh my. My son. Me sorry. Come back home now. One man just attacked me. Come back home now. Please.
Mami.
Come if you come now.
Which way are they?
In the room.
In here, oh.
I'm stressed out. My day are good enough. Bed and everything and nice up, laying up on my bed. So me listen to the heartbeat of my baby inside of my bed because I just know I'm pregnant, right? When I look, me and one man come up. Stop that people, man. You know, take people, man, and start piss me. Queer.
Say I take people, man.
But remember.
You don't remember?
You don't understand, my son. And I like say me really want to take people, man, but sometimes the man them tell me say them single. Few days after, me have one girlfriend, me have this nagging ex, me have a baby mother or wife. The man them these days just they tell too much lies.
You know, say you're hypocrite smart, you know. You're hypocrite smart.
What do you mean?
You're hypocrite smart. Why you have
You don't understand. I don't
so when you speak to
use him and I want to come take our belt like some him son. I mean, she can't even chat properly.
So you make a man with him behind and
You have gun. You have one gun too.
You must know you put yourself in that.
Please, my son, me sorry, say me. You come out, but I make kind of force to come out still. Please, stay here so with me, don't leave me. My only boy, please.
Yeah, beg your money.
I don't have the money now, but I can't promise you. I don't have the money now.
Well, yeah, I sleep down 2 times with you, but not tonight.
You can't just stay tonight. I'm supposed to man, you don't love me, I'm supposed to man come back again.
You know, lock up your house and stay here and go to nobody. Yeah, I go on the road, so later.
So I must report it to the police. May I take you? Go out of my house, man. Tell us I'm not take nobody, man. It's just a misunderstanding. These men, these men, they're liars. Every time, me single. I am single. Can you be my girlfriend? You don't understand. You're still young.
I remember later.
Love you.
Yo,
17.
Yo, what my daughter there?
No, we're not farm against me shop.
What my daughter there?
Which daughter?
DNA come true, you know. My daughter there.
You say confirm.
Yeah. Say you not go I can't know. What my daughter? Where she there? Where she there now?
She's not here, me say. She not there.
Where she there? Who's part she there?
Talk so loud,
where she there?
Up her father yard.
Up her what? Yo, come like you don't respect. Yo, you must. Where take man for? Up our father. And then they come try. Yo. Where take man for? Where take man for? Where take man for? Where take?
Hey!
Sit down there so I'm gonna talk to you. Hear me?
You know, so for a long time you beat man, you not change though. How many supposed to know so the DNA coming through? So I'm not talking about no. I want to think, I want to believe.
You say you want you know easy.
Hey, no come up here now.
Easy.
Don't come up on my yard. Me can't give you a number for call and no come up on my yard. But data. I'm supposed to know that. Me did sure. For a long time you beat woman. Don't do it again.
You know what? It's like come DNA come true now. Not even live she gonna live up here. You hide my daughter from me all along. Look how she get big now. Eh? I know you come tell me about she there one next father. Alright man, you know sit back up here now. Let me tell you, yeah.
No, the blood come on. And don't come back, man beater. There's some left here. I'm gonna read for next man.
As me I say, baby, no man, no worry, money did there. I'm a rich dude now. I'm very rich.
Yo. Watch out. You bet some hurt a youth here. You know how long me give man my money my youth and tell the man to do something for me brother. And watch out. Yo, you don't know say you can't run favor. And who can hear her feel?
Bring my daughter.
Sorry?
Good morning.
Morning.
I want to say something to you, but I know I hate me here.
What do you mean?
You know, if you tell the truth, you know the same man when I say your uncle, when he Juta Rhyme, the Rasta man.
What dream?
You know, I say are you real father for true and your uncle?
What?
Yes. The other Rasta man who have money all this time when he Brian. And your father that a Juta Rhyme, the tall one who just come from foreign.
So what he did to me then? Brian?
Just say you half a father, but not your father.
What?
You can't say your step. I know your father that. Cause we just do the DNA test and result come true, so Juta Ram and your father, your papa that one day, your real father.
I'm ready to go and talk to you later.
I'm sorry, you hear?
You know what here?
But me never know, you don't understand.